Check right brake light. Surprised the old 2006 Cayman S has the sensors like that. But it's right, brake light's out. Okay, so there's like 3 bulbs in here. And this one is the brake, so there must be another bulb, because when you put your foot on the pedal it doesn't come out. So let's replace that. Okay, so I'm at the right rear in the Cayman trunk, and basically you just have to undo this bolt, take out this piece of plastic, and you'll get access. And you'll see there's 2 screws, and there's one right up in here as well. And they are 8mm. So let's give that a whirl. Oh, and I've disconnected the, just squeeze the ends of the connector to unlock it. Cool. Okay, I'll just pull the light in from the outside. Boom, that's it. I just have to get in there and replace, I think it's this bulb here. So I'll get the back end off and we'll take it from there. Okay, to get the back of this off, you just push this tab here and the housing comes out, all the bulbs, and let's see what we got here. Okay. So my belief would be this guy, but the circuits don't look broken on any of the bulbs. But I'm going to go ahead and replace this one anyway. So just twist its bayonet, push in and twist. Okay, it appears to be a 4 watt, 12 volt, 21 4 watt. So I got these Sylvania 7225s, 12 volt, 21/4 watt. I'll just throw one of those in. Again, bayonet, push and twist. Boom, done. This one now goes back in. Let's make sure I get the right side. Farthest one, closest one. Okay. So that just goes back in, clicks into place. Now let's remount it. Okay, now it's just a matter of pushing it in. Sure that's good. And then bolt it back up from the inside. Okay, 3 bolts back in, push the light while you're doing it. Okay, I'm just going to put them in loosely for now, plug it in, make sure that I got the right bulb, and call it a day. Okay, all buttoned up, let's give it a try. Bingo, works fine, awesome. Okay, all tested, bolts tightened up. Now you want to hang this from this little tab here up into that corner, and then the other one of course just goes there. There we go. Should line up there. Bingo. Done. I hope that helps. Bye.